If you're a fan of science fiction content, or even if you're not a fan, you've probably wondered where the line between science fiction and science fact lies. Today's technological capabilities seem to be evolving at a breakneck pace, making it hard to know just where we are in the world of robotics and artificial intelligence. Technology is harnessed to solve several of humanity's problems, from large-scale industrial solutions to healthcare robots, and even robots tackling our changing ecosystems. Join me today as we look at the 10 most amazing robots already among us. I bet number 1 will really surprise you. Number 10, NASA's Curiosity rover. Getting a first-hand view of Mars is probably a long way off, at least in most of our lifetimes. But scientists are looking at Mars to understand what water or other life has ever been present, or how we might use the red planet for resources or colonization in the future. NASA's Curiosity rover robot is helping us see all that Mars has to offer. Operational since November of 2011, this tough robot continues to monitor the planet. The rover is so impressive that it has far exceeded its operational lifespan. Designed to last one Martian year, or 687 Earth days, it has quadrupled that time. It's been collecting valuable information all that time. It sent us fantastic panorama of its new home, a whopping 1.8 billion pixels of image data, offering unique images of another world. Number 9, Starship Technologies. Last mile delivery solutions are a hot topic, particularly in tech hubs like California's Silicon Valley. Starship Technologies describe their mission to build a network of robots ready to serve you anytime, anywhere. These autonomous robots partner with local stores and restaurants, making delivery faster, more innovative, and more cost-efficient within a 2-mile range. Suppose you are fortunate enough to live within range of these polite little robots. In that case, it's no longer a challenge to find your missing dinner ingredient. Just order from your local grocery store, and a delivery bot will practically deliver to your doorstep. Starship Technologies has completed over 2 million autonomous deliveries and continues to expand its operational footprint. Keep an eye open for these convenient robots to hit your neighborhood. Number 8, Sophia. Sophia, developed by a Hong Kong-based company called Robotics, has been covered by media all over the globe. First activated in 2016, she made her first public appearance the following month at South by Southwest in Austin, Texas. Sophia can imitate human gestures and facial expressions, holding a basic conversation on several pre-programmed topics. Marked as a social robot, Robotics had high hopes for Sophia, acting as a companion in nursing homes or helping with navigation in areas with large crowds. As recent as 2019, she showed off some new skills, including the ability to create drawings, including portraits. Sophia also holds a rare distinction. She was granted citizenship in Saudi Arabia, becoming the first robot to receive citizenship from any country. Number 7, Now. Now, a French-designed humanoid robot from Aldebaran Robotics, now SoftBank Robotics, was built to interact with people in various situations. With several generations launched over the years, Now can dance, walk, speak, and recognize objects and faces. Now sees extensive use in healthcare fields and is used at more than 200 academic facilities worldwide. Now has a strong foothold in the academic world. Now uses its capabilities to form positive relationships with students, support lesson plans, and inspire students to focus on their studies. Fluent in over 20 languages, chances are high that Now can help in various settings. Number 6, Rover. Rover comes from Riken and Sumitomo Riko Company Limited and has a special function in the healthcare field. Rover is a successor to Reba and Reba 2 and is designed to perform tasks with immobile patients. Rover can lift a patient from a bed into a wheelchair or assist a patient who can stand but suffers from balance or strength issues. With Japan facing an increasingly elderly population, this Japanese company sees robots like Rover as a great solution to any care gaps and offers safer solutions for caregivers. Moving a patient in and out of bed or sitting to standing is a frequent movement and can be a serious cause of lower back pain for caregivers. Number 5, Atlas. Designed with agility in mind, Boston Dynamics and U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, partnered to create Atlas. The end goal for Atlas is to be deployed in various search and rescue settings. It was debuted in 2013 and claimed to be the most dynamic humanoid robot. Boston Dynamics has released a series of videos showing new capabilities that Atlas has gained over time. Given its primary objective of assisting in search and rescue, you might wonder what tasks Atlas can perform that support this function. Atlas has been able to complete the following tasks: open a door and enter or exit a building, remove debris blocking an entryway, use a tool to break through a concrete panel, locate and close a valve near a leaking pipe, connect a fire hose to a standpipe and turn on the valve, drive a utility vehicle at a given site. While the development teams focus on honing Atlas's skills through choreographed parkour routines, it's easy to see how Atlas could have real impacts during crises. Number 4. Pepper. When Pepper was released for sale in Japan, the SoftBank robot sold out in just 60 seconds. Pepper is described as the world's first social humanoid robot able to recognize faces and basic human emotions. He's available for schools and businesses, with over 2,000 companies adopting Pepper. He's even dipped his wheels into the sports arena, getting a Guinness World Record performing as a group of cheerleaders at a basketball game. With a fully open programmable platform, Pepper's creators hope that independent developers will find new uses for Pepper in the future. Number 3. Moley Robotic Kitchen. Moley is the world's first fully robotic kitchen. Moley can craft culinary delights for owners and alert you when ingredients need replenishing. Moley even cleans up after itself, something most of us struggle to accomplish when fighting to get a meal on the table. The robot is massive, considering it replaces an entire kitchen. It has cabinets, a recipe recording database, kitchen appliances, equipment, robotic arms, and hands. Each unit is customizable to meet specific needs of each customer. The graphic user interface, or GUI, is a large touchscreen where users can select recipes from a catalog of nearly 5,000 recipes. Using the GUI to choose individual ingredients offers instructions on how to perform each knife cut, such as dicing and weighing onions needed for a dish. Moley is available now, so if you're desperate to have your kitchen work for you, you can customize your dream robotic kitchen on their website. Number 2. Bird-like perching drones. Engineers at Stanford University and the University of Groningen in the Netherlands use animal abilities as inspiration points for improving technologies. With major companies like Amazon looking for ways to get products in customers' hands quicker and more efficiently, drones continue to be robots that deliver in multiple capacities. But drone deliveries and movement in the world are full of variables. None are quite so problematic as landing. Whether landing in an open space or more challenging locales like hills, branches, and buildings, no landing is the same, and that's where these engineers come in. A drone that can perch on various branches and retain balance is creating genuine interest in the ways we can improve drone technology. A peregrine falcon inspires the feet and legs of this drone. The robot can even catch and carry various objects with its fancy footwork. The formulaic behavior seen in birds' landings has resulted in a consistent approach for the robot to use, ensuring a balanced landing every time, regardless of the landing zone's size or makeup. Future uses go way beyond delivery services. Imagine a smart drone capable of landing in various settings, conducting environmental monitoring for wildfires, observing biodiversity in ecosystems, or checking power lines in remote areas. Number 1. DelFly. When most of us think about robots, we usually think of humanoid robots or other bulky designs that can make our lives easier or more accessible. But have you considered the potential for insect-sized robots? The DelFly has many iterations, such as the Explorer, Nimble, and Micro, each offering unique systems and features. Like the number 2 spot on my list, the DelFly takes inspiration from operational efficiencies already found in nature. Creating such a small bot with flapping wings for movement and agility was no small feat. Because of their lightweight and low speeds of the wings, the DelFly is well suited for indoor flight and flight in the presence of humans. One exciting future application is using the DelFly to assist with commercial crop pollination. In a world where bees are dying off at alarming rates, solutions are needed to support the planet's pollination needs. These tiny robots could be used to fill the gap in large-scale operations. Similar companies, such as Flapper Drones, are looking at using the technology in entertainment settings like concerts, theme parks, and festivals. Should these little bots become mainstream, double check next time you swat away that flying bug. It could be an expensive robot. So, which robot was most surprising to you? Did my list make you excited about where technology can take us? Or did it give you visions of the Matrix, scrambling for that blue pill to make it all fade away? Did I miss an amazing robot? Which was your favorite from the list? Make sure to drop a note for me in the comments so I can keep making the videos that you're most interested in. Like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until next time.